Welcome back. It's 4:44 here on a, well, calm but cold Wednesday morning. Some big changes are coming, though, over the next 24 hours or so with a cold front inbound, and ahead of that, we got some rain. So here's what we're tracking over the next couple of days. Rainy Thursday morning, that's tomorrow. We do have a freeze back in the forecast for the North Shore, mainly Friday morning, and then we'll be warming back up by Sunday. So really up and down here in our forecast. This morning, though, it is cold. We've got 30s across the North Shore. We have dropped below freezing up there in Bogalusa at 30 degrees, 35 Slidell, 36 in Picayune, it's 31 in Macomb. Now south of the lake, a little chillier than yesterday too. We're 42 in Kenner and down to 49 in the CBD here in New Orleans, down to 37 in Belle Chase. You may have a little frost down there closer to the West Bank. So today we're going to warm up to about 68 degrees. We will have a lot of clouds rolling in, so it won't be as sunny as it has been. And I do have a chance for a couple of showers this afternoon, mainly north of the lake. But most of our rain is going to come tomorrow morning with our cold front. Now, radar this morning, if you're heading west on I-10, you may run into a shower or two near Lafayette and closer to Lake Charles. These are the initial signs of our disturbance developing. You can see all the rain and clouds this morning are mainly back into Texas, so it's developing. Eventually, this is all coming our direction. Precision Cast shows as we go throughout your Wednesday, the majority of the rain is just northwest of us, so some heavier rain along I-49. Lafayette, Alexandria, Shreveport, it's going to be much rainier this afternoon. Notice just a couple of showers in southeast Louisiana. Fast forwarding into this evening, the big batch of rain still to our north, but then as we go into tonight, we start to see some of that heavier rain move in. Tomorrow morning's drive, let's say around 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. on Thursday, we are expecting some heavier rain to push through, and then that'll be out of here by the afternoon. Thursday afternoon is turning colder behind this cold front that moves through tomorrow. Rainfall totals, we are going to have to keep an eye on some of these heavier bands. Some of these could drop a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain. And luckily, the severe weather threat is not very high. The air is just going to be a little too stable. And the rain totals are not going to be off the charts here, but you know how it goes. It only takes a little bit of heavy rain in a short amount of time to cause a problem. So we'll want to watch that through Thursday morning. The next 3 mornings, tomorrow morning rather, we're going to be in the 50s, so not too cold, but look at Friday morning. 20s and 30s north of I-12. We may get down to 29 in Macomb Friday morning. Saturday morning, still quite cold. Notice 40s on the South Shore. Might even see a few upper 30s creep down to the South Shore there Friday morning. So we got some cold mornings back in our forecast after a brief mild start tomorrow. And it's only going to be here about 3 days. Friday's going to be chilly. Saturday's going to be cool, but then we're back in the 70s by Sunday. And we're tracking our next cold front for next week. It's going to move in around next Tuesday or so. So rain chances will ramp back up early next week. So today, 68, mostly dry, just cloudy. Tomorrow morning, we've got heavy rain across the area. Temperatures will be falling Thursday afternoon, so the morning is in the 60s. The afternoon is probably in the 50s. We wake up Friday morning with a cold wind. Wind chills could easily drop into the 20s for the North Shore Friday morning. We only get up to 52 Friday afternoon. Maybe we'll see a little sunshine. Same thing on Saturday. It'll be a cold morning and a cool afternoon, and then we're back in the 70s with increasing humidity by Sunday. Ahead of a better chance of rain, and right now I think our better chance of maybe some thunderstorms are coming in around next Monday. We'll keep an eye on that, Brandon.